Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Ali Pearl hair. Again, packaging is gold this time around. Very nice and sleek. Love the simplicity of it. Let's go ahead and get into what's inside. Alright, so before we get to the wig, let's see the goodies that we got today. I got this cute branded mirror. This is so handy for like your purse. Also got the drawstring bag, which is perfect for storage. Edge brush and comb. This Ali Pearl elastic headband, a pair of HD wig caps. That's everything that came in the box. Now guys, I'm completely amazed. I can't even lie, I've gotten some great wigs, and this is definitely one of this. This came pre-braided, pre-styled, pre-everything. It's literally a gorgeous 13x4 lace front, transparent HD lace front, pre-styled straight wig. Like, I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but this texture right here is like butter. What? This is 22 inches long, by the way. I'm gonna be sure to list the density, but guys, I am so pleased. Yo, the texture, the neatness, it's like the wig game has, yo, Ali Pearl did that. They did that. Like, what? Yeah, nah. If you're not coming like this, then don't come at all, because Ali Pearl, them come out strong. I'm so excited to go ahead and install. This is gonna be a quick and easy install, you know. This is perfect for my beginners, you know. They did everything for you already. Like, you don't have to stress to go to the salon. Like, little to no experience of installing a wig. Yeah, top tier. It win. Listen, man, let me show you the inside of the wig cap. The construction is already pre-everything. So pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled, all of that. It has a total of 3 combs in the cap. It has this adjustable, you know, elastic band, which, yeah, I'm going to pull on a little to make it a little bit more snugged. It's beautiful. What more could you ask for in a wig? Like, be for real. Oh my god, it's like butter. So silky, so smooth, so soft. Like, baby hairs are already laid, everything. What more could you ask for? Listen now, let's go ahead and do this quick and easy install. Let's go. So obviously, you know the drill. I went ahead and slipped the wig on, which was very straightforward. What just gets me every time is the fact that this wig already came pre-styled, and that right there, I don't know, that just put this company so far ahead, honestly. The only thing I had to do, I didn't get it on camera, but I did cut away a bit at the ear portion, and I just applied some of my lace bond spray to keep the sides in place, and then I proceeded to fix the edges to, you know, suit my face a little bit better. Plus they did kind of get out of place when I took it out the box, but that was really the least of my worries. It was really easy to do, very straightforward, and listen, I'm just in awe, honestly. It's a very, very beautiful wig. They spent their time when they went ahead and constructed this wig. The lace is literally at solid 20 out of 10, and the hair texture, as I said before, is extremely flowy, extremely soft and silky. All right, this is the type of wig you want to work with, okay, because you can see the quality from afar and you can feel the quality. Yeah, so I'm just beyond pleased with the fact that I could bring a wig this convenient to you guys today, because I definitely believe that this is worth every penny. Also, I didn't really get much shedding from this wig.
believe maybe because it's so silky and soft, it doesn't tangle much. You know, it's brand new. That's what's expected of brand new straight hair, at least. But you have straight hair and then you have straight hair. Let's be real, sometimes you get some brand new straight textures and they're still, you know, soft, but this level of sleekness is on another level. So I love what I'm feeling. I love what I'm seeing. And as I said, I just hope you guys can see it through the camera. You know, I just feel like it's just beautiful, man. Then I went ahead and got some powder to further camouflage the front of the lace just a little bit more. It was a little casty. It's really not a big of a deal, but you guys know how I be. I just want it to look very discreet and, you know, undetectable. So I just went in with a little bit of powder to further camouflage it. But that was it. That's it. Absolutely no glue, guys. None whatsoever. Perfect for my beginners. Oh, and yes, right here I did go over it with my flat iron just to get it extremely sleek and straight. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is wig no glue down. The wig no spray down it, no glue down it, no nothing. Like, be for real. Like, Ali Pearl did their thing. Like, as you guys saw, I only look there. Absolutely no product. As I see, I just use the elastic headband to press down the lace and a little bit of adhesive on the sides to keep it down. That's it. The hair, the texture, I hope you guys can see through the camera, but because I don't even know if it's doing it justice. Like, the way the hairline is just plucked and everything looks A1. Super top tier. Absolutely love it. What more could you ask for? It's a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in getting this for yourself, please go ahead and check it out. All the specifications will be down below. They really raised the bar. They really did. I feel like this is the best wig I've ever received from Ali Pearl. Beautiful. So yeah, that's basically it for today's wig look. Very easy, very to the point, very beginner friendly. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase these feels and everything. All I want